All right. Okay. Alrighty. What's up, everybody? I'm gonna try starting a page just for things that I'm interested in, and that would be archery, arrow building, hunting, etc. So I just got done building these Black Eagle zombie slayers, and I put a AAE hybrid 2-inch vane on them, spun test them, cut them down to size. Carbon arrow length is 28 inches for me. Set my vanes back about 1.25 inches, and they spin really good. They were 0.001 straightness, but there was a couple that were a little funky, so I ended up taking actually about 1 inch off the ends, the knock end, and then the rest off of my point end, and squared up the ends with the, wherever the hell I put it. Oh, hang on one second. No, never mind. It's all the way down in the garage. But G5 arrow squaring tool. So I did that, and now I'm going to be putting in the Black Eagle brass inserts instead of the aluminum 12 grain that come with it. These are 40 or 42 grain, I believe, each, just to help out a little with the FOC of the arrow. So I am going to do this, but this is actually my first set that I've ever built. So I have to clean the ends out, which I'm going to do with, where to go? I'm going to use this Max Clean, AAE Max Clean wipes. And I'm going to try to get it in with the Q-tip I have. Let's see if it works. I'm going to use the, these are actually gun cleaning Q-tips, so it's a little point to it. So I'm going to try to clean them out the best I can. These will get pretty dirty from cutting them. So that went in about that far, which is further than my brass. I'll move it and do one more. I've seen some guys even use just baby wipes. I saw a couple pages doing them like this. Obviously you can use a regular Q-tip, but whatever. I guess maybe for this video I should have cleaned them all before doing the video, because I don't think anyone wants to watch 10 minutes of cleaning carbon out of an arrow. So I'll do 2 more, and then I'll start gluing the inserts in. It was pretty clean. Check them out though. This one, my daughter told me to put a white vane on. That's going to be the hunting arrow. So I said, no problem. Zombie slayers. Pretty cool. And they were on sale. They were a good hunting shaft. So a lot of people use them for 3D also. Ooh. I'll do this as the last one, then we'll try to glue some in. We'll do this together. Anyone else who's first time arrow building, got a lot of video information from Elk Shape, Podium Archery, obviously John Dudley. He's got tons and tons of videos. So let's see if we're gonna do 3 real quick. And I was told to take the knocks out. Don't forget to do that, because you can actually, for some reason they said you can pressurize inside, and it can, when the glue is activating, it can start to push things out or whatever. So just make sure you're open and clear. You can look down the middle. Yep. These are cool though. Really like these. They spin really good. Super straight. Alright, let's see. So we'll get 3 of these out. I'm going to be using the Instant Bond came from Black Eagle as well. And I'm going to try to not get it on my fingers. I'm going to wipe these down as well, even though they look pretty clean. And see what happens. What I don't want to do is get them stuck to the damn paper, so what I'll try to do here. Alright, shake this up first. Just alright, so let's see. I'm gonna just do a good glob both ends. It might be excessive, but we won't know until we try, so start with this one. And it looks like it will be. But we put it in and then wipe it off. I don't know if you can see it because I don't know which camera, but I'm going to make sure they're fully down. And almost got glued to that. I'll try to wipe off whatever's left in there. Looks pretty good. Just for the hell of it, real quick, check something. Actually looks a little wobbly, but I'm gonna try to, maybe I'll put the glue on a little different, see if that does anything else. Let's put some more. 1, 2, 3. Spin it in. I'm going to store them standing up in my box if they stay. Doesn't look like they will. Looks like I got enough glue in there. That one spins a lot straighter than that one. I don't know why that one's so off, but I'm good to spin test after. Really like the orange and green here, but another one done. Okay, stand it up. Trying to put these in a box and stand them up. It's not working. Don't be stupid like me. Alright, let me just check before this time. See what this looks like. Is this, you know, this thing is cheap. It works good for everyone, like little, it's better than nothing, but I find myself having to hold this thing down because it's not truly level and you can manipulate it. I've seen some guys use arrow shafts instead of this plastic, but it's not 100%. I think I'm gonna get a metal one, but it does a job, I guess. I mean, it's not horrible. It's just $39. I mean, it's better than having nothing, I'd say. Okay. See what happens here. Spin it into what I was told. If you don't move fast, clearly it'll get stuck. Ah. Okay. glue down the shaft there. Get that off. All right. Super straight. Another one done. So, blooper reel. This one I don't know though. Let's see what's going on there. It looks like it's fully seated. I know my ends are squared up. Might have been the amount of glue I used, maybe. It'll still work. It's not that bad. I'm just being picky. So, 3 of them done. Black Eagle, Zombie Slayers, fun. And I'll make more videos, but I just wanted to see if I know what I'm doing here yet. Watch countless hours. I'm always self-taught in everything I do, so I use my Bitzenberger jig. I bought it from Lancaster. I bought these. I did not put on yet because I wasn't sure if I liked them, if they were truly accurate, but I used this DCA vein angle tool. It's pretty cool. It seems to work really good. It helped me set this jig up. So I'm shooting a 2-degree left offset. I clocked my arrow at comes out of my, I got a Hoyt Alpha X30, comes out to the left. So I chose to do a left offset, 2 degrees. Yeah, and this was pretty cool. So goes right in the jig. And then when you have, everything set up, you put your vein on. I got a mark to where I like to run my arrows with these Knox from Black Eagle. I use as my standard setup. So you would put it in, and then you set it up here, and then see what she's looking like. So, yeah, and then you adjust it here and here. I'll do a video with the vein angle tool at some point as well. We'll go from there. So, thanks guys. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Hopefully.